What should we do after a whipsaw in Bitcoin? If you're interested in knowing more about this, please keep watching. Bybit is one of the best exchanges I've ever used. It provides great market depth, a smooth user experience, and an impeccable interface. Complete KYC and make a $500 deposit, and you can get a $1,000 Ethereum position for either going long or short, which is up to you. On May 6th, BitGet is set to sponsor an offline event in Lin Palace, Kaohsiung, with the theme Profitable Trading Using Quant Trading with YouTuber Crypto. We will mainly introduce the future direction of our mobile app development for quantitative trading and our latest updates. By registering at the event, participants can receive a trial fund worth $10 and have the chance to win prizes, including PS5 and more trial funds. Okay, let's return to the Bitcoin market. Let's take a look at the daily chart of BTC. Although we've had an upward trend recently, the correction has yet to be done by forming a golden cross below the baseline in the MACD on a daily time frame. As you can see from the previous position, we experienced a divergence. And if we continue to rise without a golden cross below the baseline as a correction, it's possible to have a double divergence on the daily chart. If we have a double divergence on the daily chart, I believe it would be highly effective. Very highly. As you can see from the MACD indicator, there's no golden cross below the baseline, and the MACD rises above the signal line. If the price continues to rise and makes a new high, but the MACD indicator doesn't form a higher high, we'll have a double divergence on the daily chart. This indicates that the bullish trend is unsustainable. It's a weak uptrend. Looking back, when we have double divergences on the daily chart, we have a high chance of experiencing a significant retracement. It'll be a significant one, which can be even up to 20%. Let's review the chart. For example, before the May 19th market crash in 2021, I'm pretty sure you have experienced the May 19th incident, which was quite scary. You can see a double top divergence on the daily chart. That's quite terrifying. And this rally we had after the May 19th correction also formed a double divergence. Then, many people got margin closeout at this level during this huge correction. Such a major price correction. As you can see, if the price doesn't experience more corrections or oscillations, and it just keeps going up, I think this bullish trend is very dangerous. It's fine to be bullish. I reckon that the chance of going long is even greater than going short now. I think that the retracement, the pullback here, has already ended. But we will need more and more technical corrections. I mean, the decline has ended. So we will need more correction to correct the MACD signal in order to eliminate the divergence before the price can continue climbing upward. Then, there won't be any signals of exhaustion in the price rise. Simply put, before a golden cross is formed below the baseline, I believe this bullish trend carries a significant level of risk. More time is needed for the correction. Then only the trend will resume. Now, let's switch to a smaller time frame. A 4-hour chart. Let's switch to the 4-hour chart. We experienced a huge whipsaw yesterday. I believe everyone who was watching the market yesterday should have found it very exciting. Including me, of course. It's best not to participate in such a market. It's challenging to make money in such a market. Not losing money is already a blessing. If I didn't lose my capital, I would feel like I have succeeded. We should stay out of the market during this kind of movement. So how do we observe the market after the weak hands have been shaken out? The most important S/ or reversal is around 28,800 to 28,900. The price stands above this level again. So I think the bulls are dominating in the tug of war between bulls and bears. Who is more powerful? We don't care about the news. We just look at the chart. The chart will reflect the final situation of the news and will reflect the impact of the news most truly. You can see that the price has reached above this S/ or reversal level, and it's within the region where the small box formed at the top previously. No doubt, the bulls have the upper hand. Let's take a look at this. The price reached the highest point of the shakeout. If it were not that the bulls were stronger, how could the price have come to this high point? And look at the trading volume. The volume. So I think the retracement is very likely to have ended. I mean, the downtrend has truly ended. But we still need more correction and oscillations before the uptrend resumes. especially since the resistance is around 30,000 to 32,000, which is a strong resistance. Alright, thank you. You're welcome. To like and share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little bell button to show me your greatest support. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.